To join me on this page and to get the best available deal with Northwest, go to the link on the screen or get here by clicking the link that you can find in the description below. Once you're on this page, select California as your state and then click Get Started. If you're not quite ready to start the filing yet, that's completely fine. Just follow along and you can come back to the link whenever you're ready. When you land on the Order tab, you'll see everything that's included with your formation service. You get 1 year of registered agent service for free, a free business address and mail scanning, a free domain, website, email and phone line, free brand protection, and renewal alerts and filing service enrollment. Northwest calls the domain, website, email, and phone line their business identity features. They're free forever at the starting level, and if you need to, you can upgrade to get paid versions as your business grows. The entity type is already set to LLC, which is what we're forming today. You'll see options for corporation and nonprofit, but those don't apply here, so just leave LLC selected. And the jurisdiction is already set to California. You'll see the California filing fee here, $90 for standard processing. That's the state fee, not a Northwest charge. You would pay that regardless of how you file. Even if you wanted to be your own registered agent and handle everything yourself, you're still paying this fee to the state of California. Standard processing takes around 3 days, which is pretty quick. But if you need it faster, there's also an expedited option that processes in 1 day for $440. The Northwest Basic Package is $39, which you can see on the right side of the screen. That's their flat service fee on top of the state fee. You can see the rest of your included items here, and when you're ready, click Continue. Now we're on the Company tab. This is where you'll enter your company name. Go ahead and enter your LLC name in the company name field. You'll notice there's a separate designated dropdown right next to it. The most common one is already selected, so I would go with that. Below that, you'll see a preview showing exactly how your business name will appear on state records. If your name isn't available, Northwest will guide you through some options. I'll be using Business Tutorial Academy LLC. Once you're done, click Continue. Now we're on the Business Details tab. You'll see a business purpose field here. Just enter a short description of what your LLC does. 1 or 2 sentences is all you need. Keep it simple and straightforward. For example, I'll use something like creation and publication of educational content, tutorials, and online courses for business and entrepreneurship. For both the physical address and the mailing address, you'll see that these are already set to Northwest's registered agent address. And that's exactly what we want. This is one of the real benefits of using Northwest. If you click the blue question marks, they explain using their address keeps your personal information off public records. I would recommend keeping both of these to our registered agent address. Next, if you have a business attorney, you can switch this to yes, and then enter your attorney's email. If you don't, just leave this as no. Once you're done, click Continue. That brings you to the Account tab. This is where you'll create your login for Northwest. Enter your first name, then your last name, and then your phone number. Northwest uses that for 2-factor authentication, and that helps keep your account secure. Then enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure that you haven't used elsewhere, and save it somewhere safe. Click Continue when you're done. Next is the Management tab. Here you'll choose your management type. Member Managed is already selected, and for most people, that's the right choice. If you click the tooltip, it explains the difference. Member Managed means the owners make all the decisions themselves. Manager Managed is for situations where the owner is not involved in day-to-day operations and wants to hire a manager to make business decisions. If you're not sure, leave this on Member Managed. Below that, you'll see Member 1. Enter your first name and last name here. The address is set to Northwest's registered agent address, which is what we want. If your LLC has more than one owner, click Add Member, and then enter Member 2 details the same way we've done before. When you're done, click Continue. Next, you're on the Recommended tab, and this is actually where we handle step 4 of setting up your LLC, getting your Employer Identification Number, or EIN. You'll see Tax ID as the first option here. That's your EIN. Your EIN is basically your business's social security number. You'll need it to open a business bank account, file your taxes, and hire employees if you ever need to. For $50, Northwest will handle all the IRS paperwork for you, and your EIN will show up directly in your Northwest account once it's ready. If you prefer to save the $50, you can get your EIN directly from the IRS for free at irs.gov. Just keep in mind that you'll have to wait until your California LLC is officially approved before you can apply yourself. If you want to keep things moving and have Northwest handle it, the $50 is worth it. I have done this myself in the past, but for my next LLC, I plan to include it here. Otherwise, skip this and apply on the IRS website once your approval comes through. The next option is the S-Corp election with the IRS. This doesn't mean you're forming a corporation. You're still forming an LLC. This is purely a tax election that changes how the IRS taxes your business. If you're not sure whether this makes sense for you, skip it for now. You can always make this election later, and it's really a conversation to have with a CPA once your business is up and running. We'll come back to this in step 7. Next is premium mail service. This is different from your registered agent service. It's for all of your regular business mail. If you want a unique business address in a real commercial building, and you'd like Northwest to handle all of your incoming mail, this is the option for you. It's not something everyone needs, especially if you already have a good mail setup, but it's worth knowing that it's available. Toggle it on to explore the options, and leave it off if you don't need it. I've linked their California mail forwarding page in the description below with more details. If you want to protect your brand name or logo, Northwest offers a trademark filing service for $5.99. It's not required to form your LLC, but if you're building a real brand, it's worth considering. You can skip this today and come back to it later. The last option is DBA trade name filing, also called doing business as. This lets your LLC operate publicly under a different name than your legal LLC name. If your brand name and your LLC name are the same, you don't need this. If you want to do business under a different name without setting up an entirely new business, you can add it here. One thing that's unique to California, if you enable it and then click the tooltip next to local jurisdiction, you'll see that California requires the jurisdiction to match the principal business address on file with the Secretary of State. Since we're using Northwest's business address, that puts us in Sacramento County, which is what we would want to select here. Northwest's fee for the DBA is $125, and Sacramento County adds an $80 processing fee, bringing the total for this filing up to $205. If you use a different county, keep in mind that each county sets its own processing fee, so your total here may differ. If you don't need a DBA, just leave this off and skip it. And if you're not sure about any of these right now, don't worry. As you can see in the Good to Know section at the bottom, you can add or cancel any of these services later from within your account. When you're ready, click Continue. Now you're on the Payment tab. Enter your payment details and billing address. And before you submit, take a look at the order summary on the right side of the screen. You'll see the Northwest Basic Package, the California State Filing Fee, and any of the add-ons that you've selected. Make sure everything looks right, and then click Submit Order. After your payment goes through, you'll be taken into your Northwest account. From there, you can track the status of your filing and see an estimated completion date. California standard processing typically takes around 3 days, so keep an eye on your email from Northwest for updates.